all my babies. It's your girl Receiver coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend. Because we litty over here. Y'all are like, she corny. I know. So yeah, y'all, what was I about to say? So if you're seeing this video, that means we've reached 1,000 subscribers. 1,000. Oh wow, that just rings in your ear. Keep your ears ring, ding dong. Like 1,000 subscribers. Who would have ever thought that I would be at 1,000 subscribers? Like, this is amazing. We lit. If y'all hear fans in the background, I'm hot up here. It's whatever. 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank you all for your support, your conversation, your likes, your feedback, your requests, all of that. Like, I appreciate everything, because no matter how many, little specks of negativity I get in the comments, see, I like being a hater. No matter how many times I get negative comments, the good comments, the good feedback, just the greatness outweighs that. And I love doing what I do. Like, I appreciate the love, y'all watching my videos, gaining little, what y'all call them, little nuggets and stuff. I like giving out information. I'm no way, no how a gatekeeper. If I know something, I'm telling everybody their mama. Point blank simple. I don't care who don't like it, who, whatever. But I just appreciate, this journey, and I know we got more journey to come, and y'all know I'm trying to, branch out to different content, but still remain true to myself, because I'm not going to get on here in front of a camera and portray something that I'm not. Whether it's personality wise, buying items, shopping, whatever the case, I'm still going to always be true to myself. And that's just that. But enough of that. We had 1,000 subscribers, so y'all know what that means. We do giveaways over here. So it's giving 1,000 subscribers. We need to do something big. Go hard or go home. And I'm going hard, because I'm already at home. And my light just won't let me be great. Like, hater. I don't know what's going on. There we go. Back up. So this is going to be an actual mixture. It's going to be 1,000 giveaway / a twinning giveaway. So we have 1,000 subscribers / twinning. So y'all, I purchased me a little something. A little Birkin dupe. So I had to purchase y'all a little something. Now I'm not going to take it out of the bag, because I want to keep it how it is. But y'all can see. Y'all see that. Because I just want to keep it in the bag. I want to keep it just in its good condition, because it's in a little dust bag and stuff like that. So I just want to keep it in the condition it is. But y'all, this is a Birkin. It's in the same color. It's the exact same bag that I have. We're going to have the same exact one. It doesn't have any logos, but that's fine. Y'all know how we get down over here. We ain't picky. It's the same bag with the feet and stuff like that. But I just want to keep it, in its condition, Keep it nice. So y'all, in this giveaway, what are we doing? What are we feeling? 1,000 stand up. So it's gonna be somewhere up here. It's gonna say hashtag 1,000 stand up. Cause we up and through here. So we gotta stand up and let it be known. So it's gonna be hashtag 1,000 stand up. You want to make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you like the video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Comment down hashtag 1,000 stand up. See, I'm messing up. Blah, 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 blah. Rewind it back. Make sure you comment, subscribe to the channel. Down below in the comments, hashtag 1,000 stand up. And if you're on social media, make sure you follow my Instagram, which is also at Rare Secrets. So those 3 things. If you don't have social media, you could still enter the contest, because that's how we get down over here. So just definitely follow the rules. The rules will also be linked in the description box. I'm going to be double checking, so you just want to make sure that you're following the rules. Follow them. Because if you're not, then you can't enter. So just make sure you follow the rules, y'all. And who don't want to do Hermes bag? Even though it don't say Hermes on it, who cares? Like, now this is so cute. Now yours might have some slight creasing. Get a bag insert. It's fine. It's cool. It's cool. This can travel all the way around the world. And yeah. Okay. So yeah, y'all. Follow the rules down below. Get this beauty right here. Why did I just change my? I don't mind me. I be doing voices. You would have thought I was Robin Williams, one of his family members, the way I do voices. But yeah, this is cute. So definitely follow the directions, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Yeah. Hey, stand up 1,000. Yeah. 1,000, stand up. Yeah. See you guys in the next one.